Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make fish bun. We see what are the ingredients need for that. We need 250 grams of flour, all-purpose flour. For the fish bun, we need 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of instant yeast, 1 egg, beat it and take, and 1.5 tablespoon of extra margarine, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients. And make as a well. Beat the egg and add to the flour. One and a half tablespoon of butter, and keep little lukewarm water. Mix all the ingredients well and add little by little water. I took small amount. If you want, from this I think we'll see how many buns we can make. If you want to increase the amount, you double it and take. We'll add water now. Lukewarm water, that means little hot. Very little only add. Like this. Nicely knead the dough. Place the dough on a marble top and nicely knead. Nicely knead for 10 minutes. Here now we oil the ball and place the dough inside that and cover this one from a wet towel and keep for half an hour. For the bun filling we need salmon, 150 grams of onion, 200 grams of potato, and chopped green chili, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, curry leaves and rampe. For the taste salt, and we need 1.5 teaspoon of cutter chili, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon or quarter teaspoon of cumin powder. These are the ingredients we need for make the filling. Little oil for temper the curry filling. To make the filling, we'll add oil. Add little mustard seed. Now we'll add all the ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, green chili and all, and add the onion also, and saute the onion. Add salt, 1 teaspoon of salt I add. Close it and keep for few minutes. Here's my salted onion. I am adding another half a teaspoon of salt and mix spices. Mix it. Mix it and add the salmon. Mix it well. We'll add the potatoes, smashed potato. Mix it well. And check the spices, salt. Check the taste. If you need, add more spice. I'm adding little pepper to this. We like little bit spicy. Turn off the fire. Here's my rice and dough, and you must take a baking tray and oil this tray and take and preheat the oven for 10 minutes in 250 degrees. Now we'll put the dough up on the, spread little flour, and cut into 6 pieces. do like this. Cover it and keep, otherwise it will dry. Cover for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we'll take the balls one by one and flat like this, or take a rolling pin and flat it. And take this, we are making triangular shape now. Take this two sides and take this one and join to other. Here's my triangle shape bun. You see once again. Take 1 tablespoon of curry and keep it, and take this two sides together and bind like this. Now take this part, turn to this side and see. Take this part and join to this side. Nicely bind, because when it is rising time, trying to move the binds. Once again, one tablespoon of curry and take this two sides Here I made 5 triangle shape bun, and one I am going to make another shape, another kind of shape like this. Bind like this, and nicely binding, and turn to this side and make it little this shape. This is the shape, and keep like place like this, and we must bake for 15 into 20 minutes these buns. We must first give a egg wash. We'll egg wash this. Egg wash all the buns. Now we'll keep to bake for 15 into 20 minutes. In 15 minutes you take it. If that one baked, you can take, otherwise keep another little. Here's my well baked fish bun. You see, very soft. And you must, when take off from the oven, you must apply little butter to up. Then this shining will give. Yeah, very soft and very taste. You also make and taste and see. Yeah.